your psychic self-care sovereignty steps. We'll begin by doing some 2-function grounding, shifting now out of your beta consciousness into your alpha by breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. The first step is to visualize a cylinder from your waist going down into the earth, and you're going to scan down using visualization down below your feet, scanning downwards to detect any areas where there is blockage or dense energy obstructions, moving your conscious awareness down below your feet, feeling for any areas that aren't flowing, exploring now for any blockage in your energetic flow down into the earth. As you find any obstructions, you're going to dissolve them, creating a golden healing waterfall from your waist down. And this golden healing waterfall is just dissolving away anything within your energetic system below your feet, anything in your grounding that's not serving you in your greatest and your highest. Getting a nice flow down below your feet, washing away any energetic accumulations that have collected within your grounding, allowing all the energetic debris within your aura from your waist down to release now. Wash now down into the earth. Once you've completed this, you're going to bring up earth energy, bring it up over your head, saturating every part of your body, bringing up that earth energy, up your legs, your waist, your shoulders, your arms, your head, up over your head, nourishing and nurturing your entire body with earth energy. Now, let's do some etheric shielding. Imagine that you are wearing armor, full body armor. Many times you will create subconsciously a dense layer of protection around your body, or your energy in your first layer can collect a lot of dense, heavy energy from your environment and the people around you. By visualizing armor, you're giving your energy system an opportunity to reveal to you its condition in the form of an image, and armor is an excellent symbol to work with. So as you visualize your armor around yourself, you're going to remove it. Remove this armor, this dense, heavy energy that's collected all around you, and hand it over to your divine team of angels and guides to clear and free up that energy for you, to create for yourself new armor, new etheric shielding. You want it to be stronger material, but lighter in weight. You don't want it to be heavy at all, but lighter in weight and brighter and shinier in color. Just surround yourself with this high frequency healing energy that's going to transmute any negative energies that come your way. And it will also serve to protect your inner energetic system of your chakras and your meridians. So taking off your old armor, handing it to your angels, and creating new armor made of high frequency, divine, golden healing energy. Now let's clear some psychic pollution, the energies that have absorbed into your aura that belong to other people or came from your environment. Remembering your energy is yours, it belongs to you, and it will respond instantly to your direction. All you have to do is direct it to leave your energy. Affirm 3 times. I bless and send home all outside energy in my energetic field which does not belong to me. I bless and send home all outside energy in my energetic system which does not belong to me. I bless and send home all outside energy in my energetic system which does not belong to me. This is an excellent exercise to begin to tune your awareness to where outside energy collects in your aura, and notice how it leaves. Notice how it leaves. You'll get a sense of energy just leaving as you do this exercise. This is also a good time to use your tools. Use your smudge, your Palo Santo, or any tools you have, your feathers. Trust your instinct, trust where you're guided. Now for your power recall. Remember, every thought that you think is your personal energy. Every emotion that you have is your personal energy. And when you consider all the thoughts that you have in a day, all the feelings that you have over a lifetime, that is a lot of your personal energy. And you can call home your personal energy. All you have to do is direct it to return to you. So calling home all of your personal energy from wherever it is in the world, directing it to return to you now. Gather it before you and clear it off. You can introduce divine golden healing energy to it. You can request of your divine team to clear it for you. You can use Reiki. Because we put out so much energy when we're upset, you don't want it to return to you that way. So definitely clear your personal energy as it returns, and then accepting it back into your aura, and allow your aura to expand and fill up with your personal energy as it returns to your energetic system, as it returns to you. This won't get all of your energy, but it is a wonderful opportunity to reclaim a very large amount of your power that is out in the world with different people and places and things. Now Let's do some aura repair by visualizing yourself inside of a bubble and looking at your bubble. You're looking for any areas of your bubble that have damage or darkness. Looking for any dark areas, clearing them by introducing golden healing energy, Reiki, and requesting of your divine team to provide some healing energy to repair those areas of your aura. If you see any gashes or tears, clean them off with healing energy and then direct them to reform, and they will. Trust what you see. Trust your energy. It's going to be revealing to you what it needs to clear and repair and restore itself. You are sovereign. Every direction you consciously give to your energetic system will respond. Take a deep breath. You can do these sovereignty steps, psychic self-care exercises, anytime you feel the need to reset and restore your personal energy. This is wonderful energetic maintenance prior to doing deep healing work or following deep healing work as an ongoing energetic psychic self-care